Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting gaming laptops of 2025, the MSI Stealth A16 AI Plus 16-inch OLED gaming laptop. If you're a gamer, content creator, streamer, or someone who just wants a next-level premium laptop that is fast, beautiful, and future-proof, this model is absolutely worth your attention. And if you're interested in checking the latest price or grabbing one for yourself, I've included an Amazon link in the description below. The MSI Stealth A16 AI Plus is a high-end, ultra-thin gaming laptop built around cutting-edge specs. AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti laptop GPU, 16-inch 240Hz QHD Plus OLED gaming display, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 2TB NVMe SSD, Wi-Fi 7 support, Windows 11 Home, Core Black Premium Finish. This laptop is designed to deliver elite performance for gaming, editing, AI workloads, and professional productivity. First, let's talk design. The MSI Stealth A16 AI Plus truly lives up to its stealth name. It has a sleek, ultra-premium Core Black chassis, thin bezels, and a surprisingly lightweight build for a device this powerful. The body feels solid and durable. Minimalistic aesthetic, great for gaming and professional use. Backlit keyboard with customizable RGB. Excellent hinge stability. Slim profile, perfect for portability. If you are someone who carries your laptop to school, work, coffee shops, or LAN parties, this machine fits seamlessly into any environment. This is where the laptop really dominates. The 16-inch QHD Plus OLED panel with a 240Hz refresh rate is breathtaking. When gaming, the OLED brings perfect blacks, infinite contrast, vibrant color accuracy, lightning-fast pixel response time. This means ultra-smooth motion, better visibility in fast FPS games, eye-catching cinematic visuals, ideal for video editing and color grading. Whether you're playing Cyberpunk 2077, Valorant, Apex Legends, or streaming movies in 4K, this display transforms the experience. Now, let's break down the performance. AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370. This is AMD's next-generation AI-ready processor, bringing incredible speed with built-in neural processing power. Benefits include faster CPU multitasking, enhanced AI acceleration for editing, productivity, and creative tools, extreme performance in modern games, better power efficiency. NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti laptop GPU. The 5070 Ti is one of the most exciting GPUs in the new RTX 50 series lineup. What you get is smooth gameplay at high to ultra settings, DLSS 3.5 support for even higher FPS, ray tracing performance improvements, faster rendering for creators. You can easily push 100 to 240 FPS in many esports titles and enjoy high settings in AAA games at QHD resolution. This model comes with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, huge upgrade for multitasking, Blender rendering, and heavy workloads. 2TB NVMe SSD, extremely fast load times, instant booting, and enough storage for dozens of large games. You will have the speed you need for professional-grade performance. Wi-Fi 7 support. This means lower latency, faster downloads, more stable online gaming. Premium audio. MSI includes high-fidelity speakers with clean vocals and punchy bass, perfect for movies and gaming. Battery life. With the efficiency of AMD's new architecture, you get improved battery performance for day-to-day tasks. Cooling system. MSI's advanced thermal design keeps the laptop running cool even under heavy gaming loads. Let's talk real-world use. AAA games. Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, Starfield, Assassin's Creed Mirage, Horizon Forbidden West. These all run beautifully with high FPS and stunning OLED visuals. Esports titles. Valorant, CS2, Fortnite, Apex Legends, League of Legends, Overwatch 2. The 240Hz OLED panel delivers buttery smooth competitive performance. Content creation. If you're a YouTuber, video editor, 3D artist, or streamer, the hardware accelerates Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Blender, Photoshop, and After Effects. The combination of the Ryzen AI and RTX GPU makes productivity smooth and efficient. This laptop is ideal for serious gamers, college students in tech, engineering, or media fields, YouTubers and content creators, streamers, professionals needing a fast, reliable machine, AI and machine learning users. If you want a future-proof, powerful laptop with a stunning OLED display, this is a perfect choice. The MSI Stealth A16 AI Plus stands out as one of the best gaming and creator laptops of 2025. You're getting ultra-premium display, cutting-edge AMD AI processor, RTX 5070 Ti graphics, massive storage and RAM, stunning design, future-proof connectivity with Wi-Fi 7. This laptop is an absolute powerhouse. If you're interested in checking today's price, the availability, or any ongoing discounts, click the Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.